Üdvözöljük mindenkinek! Welcome everybody! This is the third episode of Learn Hungarian with me. Today we are going to talk about the numbers, the számok, and we're going to talk about the colors, the színok. First, we are a bit hungry, so we go to our favorite place, DJI here at Nagymetsző utca. Here is DJI and the colors here are red, it's piros, red. We have green, it's zöld. And we have yellow, it is sárga. There are 4 sandwiches. Egy is 1, kettő is 2, három is 3, négy is 4. Egy, kettő, három, négy. Oh, delicious. So here we have egy víz, 1 water, and kettő, egy, kettő sandwich. Wow, looks so delicious. Let's try it. Jó étvágyat. Wow. The color here is blue, cake. Nice color. You also have some white, fehér, white, fehér. Let's count to 10. It's not that difficult. We have egy, 1, kettő, három, négy, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 is like 10. Not that difficult. It's like in Spanish, 10. So 10 you could remember. This color, which is zürke, gray, zürke. I would say it's like a metal gray. I don't know what that is, but zürke. I'm looking for black colors. Fekete. Fekete is black. Oh, Aisha's shoes is black. You can see every color here in Budapest. It's very colorful. Here we have lila. That's purple. Lila. Beautiful lila. And actually this little color, rózsaszín. Rose color. Oh, what is this color? It's arany. Golden. Arany. Nice word. Orange. And orange, well, this is the color orange, and it is narancssárga. So let's go through all the colors again. We have black, fekete, white, fehér. We have blue, kék. We have orange, narancssárga. We have yellow, sárga. We have green, zöld. What else did we have? Arany, golden. Ezüst, which is silver. Szürke, which is gray. And rózsaszín, which is pink. Lila, which is purple. So we have quite a lot of colors. We can also count all of them. Egy, kettő, három, négy, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let us know what we should do in another episode. We're trying to make these small episodes so everybody can just watch 5-6 minutes, learn a lot of words, and remember it, because sometimes they make them 20 minutes long. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment what we should do next. Viszontlátásra!